Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to find your lost friend in Among Us. As we know that it is not possible to make or find lost friends in Among Us currently, but maybe in the future updates you'll be able to find some of the friends, those who lost in between. So we're going to talk about some of the possible workarounds. The first one is all about play in the same server which you both play. As you know that there is a servers available, as you can, North America, Asia and Europe. So just have to note the servers which you played with your friends and play the same on the same server, so you'll be able to find is the one of the first step. And moving to the second step, it's all about play at the same time that you both played before. So in the meantime, you have to check yourself what is the time that you're trying to play the game, maybe midnight or even the afternoon or in any kind of the time. You just have to note about the time and you just have to check in the same, so that you will not be able to lose your friends or your companion on the game Among Us. Moving to the third one, which is all about keep searching for their names in the public servers. If you know the name of the particular person whom you played in the Among Us game, you just have to search for the game and you have to try yourself to get in them. So be in touch with them and keep the legacy under and trying to kill all others and have a lot of fun. So this is what you have to do when it comes to the third one. So the last one which I wanted to make you notice is some of the tricks which you have to keep, that even that if you don't want to happen this again and again, you just have to be aware of two things. The first one is remember the name of the servers. As I mentioned, you just have to know the servers which you are trying to play or which you already played. And moving to the second one, you have to ask their real name as well as social media account, so that you can be in touch with them. Even in the same case, you can come in between and you can play the game. So that's all about when it comes to how to find your lost friend in Among Us. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. This is Shahin officially signing off from Guitar Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.